Yo producers, what's up? Here we are, not in FL Studio this time, we'll switch back to FL Studio later. In this video I'm about to show you how you can create and get some samples to sample like Drake. I'm about to show you where you can get the samples. I'm about to show you where you can take the vocals or drums out of those samples. So guys, make sure to watch the entire video to gather all this knowledge that I'm about to share with you. So let's get to the video. Okay guys, I'm here in YouTube and I'm about to show you how you can easily find samples, to get the samples to make some beats. So it's very easy. So all you have to do is just by typing music for sampling. Okay, now what you can do is go to the filters and go to the playlist. Now after you are on playlist, you can choose any of these playlists. I went through some of them. There's like a tons of music going on here that you can get some samples. So for example, let's click on here. I don't want to play it because I don't want to get copyright that much. And you heard, you can see all those songs that you can like a sample. And after you find the way that you can get the sample, you can go to this website, la 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 or la.ai. What you can do here, you can just upload the sample that you get, upload it here, and you can choose some of these. It's basically AI, as I said, and you can take vocals, you can take voice out of that sample, you can take only piano, strings, or you can do it manually, but this can save the time, so why don't you use this one? And now let's back to the FL Studio. I found this very cool song. It's from Nino Nardini, I never heard, but let me show you the real sample of this song. So this is some of the sample that I really liked. So the first thing that you have to do is find the favorite part that you think can be the loop, right? So after you go to the song, after you go through these sounds here, you go to the Edison, you open Edison here, and you chop the part you like. After you chop the part you like, I extracted here this part that I liked. So this is the part. Okay, I applied some of these effects, so let's switch back later here. Part I like. So what I did here, I used stretch mode here and I went to the 9, so it's gonna be 8-bar loop. Okay, let's go this here, or you can open a sampler or slicer just to like fit that BPM. So I went to the 166 BPM because I found out that this is working. And what I did here for this sample, I pitch it down for a whole octave and I added a few effects. I added EQ. So this is what I chopped. I cut mostly like a lower and higher frequencies, and I use this crystalline. I use this preset LD Vox Pop Long. So this is how a sample sounds right now. Now what you can do, you can just experiment and play with it more. Maybe you can reverse it like this. Sounds again very dope. Maybe you can find the key of this sample and you can add your own vocals, or if you have arcade you can add vocals, or you can add your own counter melodies. And now when you got the sample right, you can just start with the drums. So I found this sample very easy. I just fit the BPM here, I just stretch it here, and it was working. If it's not working, you can just open the slicer and make your own melodies there. But I found this way works, so I use this way. We can play with this maybe reversed part here, or I can switch it back, and now we can just play some drums. So for the Dre drums, they're very easy, very simple. And let's go with the open hats. Let's just click fill each 2 steps as always, and now go to the piano roll here of the open hats and turn down each second hi-hat like a volume down like this, and do that for each hi-hat. I'll just do it manually right now because I just used everything here like this. So we got the hi-hat pattern like this one. Now I'm about to play some drums here. I found this percussion, I have kick, and I'm about to maybe play some open hats here, and that's pretty much it, I think. just to reverse this snare, just to test out how this will sound. Sounds very dope for me. Now I can just cut this maybe part, do this and do this, and make sure you click smooth bleeding. Now you can always add more effects here, maybe like halftime. I never tried it on this sample, but let's test it out. Okay, that's it for the drums. Now let's put some drums for a little arrangement here, and that's it for this video. So let's make something like this, very easy, very simple. Okay guys, that's it guys for this video. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you learned something. Now you can steal the Drake producer's job, and you can make even your samples for Drake. I think that's gonna be it for this video. As you can see, it's very easy, very simple. Now you just can play with those samples, try something new. I just did this for like a beginner version, just a few tricks that you can use for making samples. Okay guys, thank you guys for watching. I hope you learned something about sampling, and I'm going to see you next video. Bye.